To replace this window switch, you're going to have to lift up this panel with a pick. Lift the liner of this pocket. Once that's lifted, remove this Phillips head screw. At the front of the connector, you'll see a tab. Press it and remove the connector. Now with that same pick that I used to remove that pocket liner, I'm going to insert it right here, press in, and lift up on the window switch. From underneath, I'm going to hold pressure on it, and there's another clip up front. Once you release it, the switch should pop out. Here's your old switch. Take your new one and make sure it's facing the right way. You don't want it to go in backwards. Line it up and press it in, make sure it clicks. Awesome. Now connect the connector. Make sure that's secure. When you install this piece, make sure that this hook hooks on underneath the door panel here. So slide that in first, press it down, start the Phillips head screw in, and make sure it's nice and tight. Reinstall your door pocket liner here, and now you can test out your window.